Welcome to page 70, everybody. We're going to talk more about some funny inventions. First, what we need to do is look at the pictures and think about what the machines do. Then choose one of the two machines and talk about it. Okay, so we've got two pictures, two machines. I want you to look at the pictures. Tell me what you think these machines do. Send it to me in our speaking group. As for me, I will tell you what I think these machines do. I think this machine is kind of like a police robot who catches bad boys. If a boy does something bad, like plays video games or looks at his phone in class, then this robot would get them and take them to robot jail. And then they never come out. Oh, and also this is a torture method. This is a method of hurting the boys. They use hot water or cold water to hurt the boys. This one is a flying bed. That's it, just a flying bed. Ooh, breakfast in bed. All right, let's see. I want you to tell me, read these product reviews on a website from the year 2066. What do the robots do? Product reviews. Product 是产品, reviews 是评论, 评价. So these people bought these products and now they are leaving a 评价. And this is from a website from the future, 2066. Let's read. I bought the Sunny Star robot 2 weeks ago. It does everything for me in the morning. I don't have to do anything. It wakes me up with a nice song. La, 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 la. I don't have to get out of bed myself. It helps me to get out of bed and carries me to the shower. Then it washes my face and brushes my teeth. It makes my bed and packs my bags for school. But you should be careful. You mustn't use it on rainy days. Sunny Star gets very angry when it rains. Then it only turns the cold water on when it puts you in the shower. That's hilarious. Sunny Star, why do you get angry when it rains? What if you get wet? Oh, oops, whoa, what in the heck just happened? What if the robot gets wet? That doesn't sound safe. They would get electrocuted. Do you like visiting other countries? Yes? Then this invention is perfect for you. You don't have to have a lot of money, and you don't have to get up in the morning. It looks like a bed. It's got a computer. You only have to type the name of a city, and it flies you there. You can stay in bed, and you can have breakfast too. But don't tell your teachers. They would take it away from you. Oh, and there's one more thing you should know. You mustn't forget to switch Travel Plus off at night. Its name is Travel Plus. Do you know why? Because it wants to travel day and night. It waits until you're sleeping and then it starts traveling. Then you might wake up at the North Pole or in the middle of the ocean. Yikes. You might fall asleep and wake up and you're in the middle of the ocean. That sounds crazy. Okay, so what does this one do? It does everything for you. What does this one do? It flies you around the world. Let's check these grammar activities out. Okay. Complete the sentences, then complete the rule with mustn't or don't have to. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to. 你不需要 do anything. You mustn't. Mustn't is must not. Forget to switch Travel Plus off at night. Use don't have to say it's not necessary. 不一定，你不一定需要. Don't have to. Use mustn't to say I'm telling you not to. 千万不要. 你不需要, 你 don't have to. 千万不要, you mustn't. Match sentences 1 to 2 with A to B. You don't have to go swimming. There are sharks. You don't have to go swimming. You can do something else if you prefer. Okay? I think 1 matches with B. You don't have to go swimming. 如果你不想要，你可以去做其他的东西。Something else 是某种其他的东西。You mustn't go swimming. There are sharks. 你千万不要 go swimming. There are sharks. Complete the sentences with mustn't or don't have to. Dad, I don't want to go to the park with you. No problem, Mike. You don't have to be there. 或者 you mustn't be there. You don't have to. 你不需要 be there. 你不需要在那边. You don't have to. Stop the video, do it yourself, and then come back. I'm so thirsty. Stop. You shouldn't drink that. Stop. You don't have to drink that. Or stop. You must not drink that. Stop. You mustn't drink that. 你不要 drink that. That must be poison. Poison is 毒. I'm sorry. I can't join you. That's fine. That's fine. You mustn't come. Or that's fine. You don't have to come. You don't have to. You don't have to come. Sorry, I can't stay. I'm in a hurry. Oh, no problem. You mustn't wait for me. Or you don't have to wait for me. You don't have to wait for me. I don't like swimming. We shouldn't go swimming. We can go to the park. We mustn't go swimming. We can go to the park. Or we don't have to go swimming. 我们不需要 go swimming. The neighbor's dog is in the street. You shouldn't go out. Thanks for telling me. I'm scared of that dog. You don't have to go out. You mustn't go out. 你一定不要去. Workbook page 65. Workbook page 65. Now we up and do the tuta. Look at the rules for a youth hostel. Circle the correct words. Okay. These are the hostel. A hostel is like a crappy hotel for kids. Crappy means like not so nice. It's like a not so nice hotel. Last time for checkout is 11:30 a.m. Checkout is when you leave the hotel. You must leave by 11:30 a.m. Music? Okay, but use headphones, RG. Switch off the lights at 10 p.m. Breakfast, 7:30 to 9:30. Please wash up after eating. Wash up means clean up. Don't walk into the bedrooms with your shoes on. You mustn't or don't have to have the lights on after 10 p.m. Switch the lights off at 10 p.m. exclamation points. 这个意思是你需要 You mustn't. You mustn't 或者 don't have to leave the dinner table without cleaning up. Okay? 你一定不会离开 dinner table 如果你还没有 clean up 的话，就是 you mustn't. Stop it, do it, come back. You don't have to play music out loud or you mustn't play music out loud. 你不需要大声音的播音乐或者你不要大声音的播音乐。不要 mustn't. You mustn't 或者 don't have to wear your shoes in the bedrooms. It says don't walk into the bedrooms with your shoes on, so you mustn't. You check out before 10 o'clock. You don't have to check out before 10 o'clock. You have to check out before 11:30. You mustn't check out after 11:30. 但是你不需要 You don't have to check out before 10 o'clock. You have breakfast at 7:30. You don't have to. 你可以选择不. You don't have to have breakfast at 7:30 because breakfast is from 7:30 to 9:30. Those times are all okay. Match the sentences, complete them. Stop it, do it, come back. My parents are very strict. I don't have to do... My parents are not very strict.我的家长们不是很严格. I don't have to do anything in the house. 我不需要去做任何东西，任何家务. Sarah hasn't got any problems with her work. Okay. You don't have to help her. If she doesn't have problems, you don't have to help her. A. The test will be hard. Test. Study. I see study. You shema forget to study every day now. 你千万不要忘记 study every day. You mustn't. Must not. F. It's a secret. Tell anyone. Tell anyone. 意思是告诉别人. You mustn't tell anyone. 你不要 tell people about the secret. The doctor says Ella's fine. Doctor, forget, call. Doctor, medicine. Yeah. She doesn't have to take medicine any longer. 她不需要再吃药. She's fine. D. Thanks for Jim's number. I shema forget to call him. I don't have to forget to call him. 我不需要忘记 call him. 是我不要忘记 call him. I mustn't. B. And number 10. What work do you have to do at home? What work do you have to do at home? I have a lot of jobs. I have to scoop the toilet juice. Scoop 的意思是捞, like with a big spoon like this. Who scoops the toilet juice at your house? So when you scoop the toilet juice, you're using a big spoon like this to just scoop the juice out of the toilet and put it in the pitcher for the family. This is the pitcher. So I'm like this. And that's my legs. Who scoops the toilet juice in your house? I have to scoop the juice at my house. 2. What are 2 things you mustn't do in class? You mustn't eat your desk. And you mustn't you mustn't eat the teacher. 3. Name 3 things you have to do during the week, but not on a Sunday. I have to go to my sister's motorcycle racing class. I have to carry her motorcycle home on my back so it doesn't get dirty. And I have to, what else do I have to do? Sleep with her motorcycle so it doesn't get lonely. lonely 是寂寞. That motorcycle is very, let's just say, not independent. 不是很独立的一个 motorcycle. What does your friend have to do that you don't have to do? My friend has to eat at least 6 gallons of ice cream every day or he will get sick and die. 6 gallons of ice cream? A gallon is like that big, so he has to eat 6 gallons of ice cream. He's huge. I want you to do these, send them to our group, and I'll take a look at them, okay? Going back now to this. I think we're going to skip that. I think we're going to do the rest of this page. All right. Vocabulary, housework. Match the words with the photos. Write 1 to 10 in the boxes. Listen and check, then listen again and repeat. All right, so we're going to be talking about some chores. Let's figure out what exactly these chores are. Whoa, whoa there. Let me put myself back. Okay. Vacuum the floor. Vacuum means to use a machine that sucks the dirt and dust off of the floor. Suck means see. I'm going to suck some coffee right now. I mean, some tea. I vacuumed that tea out of the cup. Tidy up. That means clean things. Do the ironing. Ironing is where you take a heavy, hot thing and you put it on the clothes so that the clothes aren't wrinkly. You make the clothes nice and flat. Do the shopping. That means go shopping. Set the table, clear the table. Set the table is put the forks and spoons and knives and plates and bowls on the table. Clear the table means take everything off of the table when you're done eating. Do the washing up. That means wash the dishes. I think doing the washing up means wash the dishes in the UK. In America, we say wash the dishes. In the UK, they say wash up or do the washing up. Make the beds. That means put everything on your bed nicely, all the pillows, all the blankets. Do the cooking. Obvious. 很明显. Do the washing. Wash. I think that's wash anything, but mostly wash your clothes. Load the dishwasher. I don't know if you guys have dishwashers. A dishwasher is a machine that washes dishes. You put all your plates, all your bowls, all your forks, all your spoons, all your chopsticks, all your glasses, all your dishes in the dishwasher, turn it on, and it washes the dishes. Loading means to put everything in it, to put everything into it. Empty means to make it empty, to take everything out of it. All right, let's talk about which ones are which. This woman is doing the shopping. I want you to stop it, do it, and come back. I'm just going to tell you really quick. Do the shopping. 4. They are making the bed. That is number 7. This woman is doing the washing up or washing the dishes. He is doing the washing. Okay, so I don't know why British people have to make this so complicated. Do the washing up. You should wash dishes. Do the washing. You should wash clothes. So do the washing is wash clothes. Do the washing up. You should wash dishes. 或者你直接可以说 wash the dishes 或者 wash the clothes. Or do the laundry. 其实 wash clothes. Do the ironing. Load and empty the dishwasher, 10. This one is tidying up. Tidying up is like putting the things from the floor back where they came from. This one is setting and clearing the table. This one is doing the cooking. And this one is doing the vacuuming or vacuuming the floor. Nice. Workbook page 66. We're going to go there. I think that might be your vocabulary page. Oops. Oh no. Yeah, that's just the vocab page. Never mind. All right. So let's go ahead and do this speaking. Read the questions, make notes. What do you have to do at home? Do you have to do the tidying, the shopping, the cooking, the washing up, the washing, or the washing the dishes, or... So tell me, I want you to send this in the group. What do you have to do? What chores do you have to do? What chores do you not have to do? What chores must you do? What chores mustn't you do, if there are any? What chores does your sister do? What chores does your mom do? What's your favorite chore? What's your least favorite chore? Tell me in the groups, and I'll tell you what I have to say about it. As for this, this is going to be your homework. This is not your homework, so let's do this one. Classroom rules. Write sentences about things that students have to, should or shouldn't do, or mustn't do. For instance, students have to study for their tests. Students should speak English as much as possible. Students mustn't leave rubbish on their desks. I want you to think of 2 things that you have to do, 2 things that you don't have to do, 2 things that you should do, 2 things that you should not do, 2 things that you must do, and 2 things that you must not do. All right, so 2 that you have to do, 2 that you don't have to do, 2 that you should do, 2 that you shouldn't, 2 that you must do, and 2 that you mustn't do. Write them down, send them to the group. That is one of your little mini homeworks. That's going to do it for today. Thank you so much. See ya.